In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Google Business Profile. If you want to share updates, promotions, or important business news directly on Google, this is a simple and effective way to do it. Post on your Google Business Profile can help your business stand out in search results and give potential customers fresh information right when they're looking for you. To get started, make sure you're signed into the Google account that manages your business profile. This is important because if you're logged into the wrong account, you may not see the posting options you need. Once you're signed in, go to Google Search or Google Maps and search for your business name. This will bring up your business profile management view, where you can make updates and control how your business appears online. If your profile is set up correctly and you're in the managing account, you should see options that allow you to interact with the profile directly from search. From there, click Add Update or Promote. Depending on what Google is showing in your view, you may see one of those options, and both are used to help you create a post. This is where the posting process begins. Next, choose the type of post you want to create. This step helps you match your content to your goal, whether you're highlighting a general update, promoting an offer, or sharing something timely with your audience. Picking the right post type can make your message clearer and more useful to customers. After that, add a photo if you have one. A good image can make your post more eye-catching and increase the chances that people will notice it. Try to use a clear, relevant image that matches the message you're sharing. Then write your post content. You can include up to 1,500 characters, which gives you enough room to be informative without making the message too long. Keep your writing clear, direct, and helpful. Focus on what your audience needs to know, and make sure the most important details are easy to understand. If it makes sense for your post, include a button. This is useful when you want people to take action, such as learning more, visiting a page, or responding to your update. A button can make your post more actionable and guide viewers toward the next step. Once everything looks good, click Post. Your update will then be published to your Google Business Profile, and that's it. By signing into your managing account, searching for your business, selecting Add Update or Promote, choosing a post type, adding a photo, writing your message, including a button, and clicking Post, you can quickly publish content that keeps your profile active and informative.